Hi folks, welcome to my video on leveling from the topic of civil engineering. So leveling we can define as the art of determining relative height or elevation of objects on the Earth's surface. The main objective is to measure the relative heights or elevation in the Earth's surface. What are the height and other things in the Earth's surface? There are some purposes for that. The main purpose is locating grade line of highway, railway, sewers, pipeline, canal, etc. One of the purpose is to locating the grade line of these places. And other thing is that to calculate the volume of earthwork for construction project. So if you are going to make a construction or something like that, you have to know how much work is required because of the relative height, elevations of the place or the surface. You must calculate the earthwork. For that also it will be used and help to identify the drainage characteristics of an area. Of course, if you want to plan for a drainage system for your particular area, you have to know the relative heights, how much elevated this place, and you have to know every relative heights of that particular area. So it will definitely help to identify the drainage characteristics of an area. And what are the instruments used for leveling? One is level. It furnishes a horizontal line of sight. So through this you can measure the things like what are the components which having this particular level. There will be a telescope will be there, and a level tube will be there for means to leveling the thing. A tripod is there to fix the particular level, and a leveling head is also there. These are the main components of a level. And the next second thing is the leveling staff. It is used to determine the vertical distances of points below the horizontal line of the sight. It's usually used for vertical distance of points to determine it below the horizontal line of sight. So leveling is basically about measuring the relative heights of the place, how much elevation and all those things. And these are the things whatever I explained here, which are the purpose of the leveling. I hope you have got the basic idea of leveling. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.